Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're doing well. And I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Well, we are celebrating Thanksgiving weekend, so I'm so thankful for you. I'm so thankful to have you as part of the Eagles family. Here at the Eagles family, we are a coaching and mentorship group, and all we are trying to do here is to get you to the mark of your highest calling, to unleash the purpose driven nature in you, to help you fulfill your highest potential. And we do that through personal development and courses. Well, so much has happened. I just came back from Uganda, so to see my family, and everyone is good. The book has been launched, so if you need a copy of Live Like a King Without Going Broke, you can post it down there. Hi, Winnie, thank you for joining. Well, if you need a copy of the book, the details will be in the description, and for those who need bulk orders, send me a private message and we'll take care of that. Well, I love November, not because it's only my birth month, right? I love November because, and December, it gives you an opportunity to plan for next year. Hi everybody, thank you for joining. Say hi in the description. It gives you an opportunity to organize yourself for next year. You know, November and December, everybody is too excited over the holidays, spending too much, buying things they don't need. But you don't have to be like that. Take this time to plan for what you want to see next year. And part of the planning has to be, what do you need to reduce? What do you need to add? What part of your goal do you need to focus on? What things worked last year and you or things that didn't work that you need to let go of? Because what you need to do is, if you have all your goals on this big platter and you need to start, you try to reduce them based on things that are working, because some things have times and seasons, and within a little time they will stop working and you have to find new ideas and new things to add on, so you keep going. Hi Felicia, nice to see you. Yeah, so I'm really so excited that we have an opportunity to get a head start of what will be next year. Hi Davis, how are you? Nice to see you. I'm back home. Well, I have two homes. Yeah, so anyway, let us focus and create a plan. What do you want to see next year? Use this time, the end of November and December, to plan out your plan. Put together partnerships. Find mastermind partners. A mastermind is basically a group of like-minded people who are intentional with life and they are going somewhere. They are purposeful, they are driven. You want to be part of such a group. It can be 2 people, 3, 4, or 5. You don't want it to be too big because it gets all crazy. But you want it as a small group. Maybe you meet every 2 weeks to make sure you stay on track as you accomplish your goals. Then determine, what do you want? What do you want to see for next year? Because life just doesn't happen to us, but we participate in creating what we want to see. And you will have to change behavior. You will have to work on adding new behaviors and habits. You know, you'll have to plan on what books you want to read and what area you want to go to. One of the things I've been learning is we have 3 kinds of people. Those who will read the book, those who will study the book, then there'll be those who become the book. Those who become are those who get the actual transformation, because we don't get what we deserve or desire. We get what we've become as a person. You have to embed and become that situation that you want to see. If you're craving for abundance, You have to become abundant in your lifestyle, abundant in the way you behave with people, in your graciousness, your giving, whether it's small or big. Your attitude should be filled with abundance in order for you to see that in your reality. You see? So there's so many exciting things are happening for next year, especially for the Eagles family. I intend to do monthly live sessions so that we can have Q&As, you know, so that we can help you if you're stuck and you need to get unstuck. You know, we address your questions so that you move on to the next level. And those will be intentional. They will be announced. I'll keep messaging you guys. And, you know, feel free to always reach out if you have questions. But I love having you around. I love you as Ego members. And let's grow and be purposeful. Let's do something different, something unique, something better and bigger. You know, as always, this is Mother Ego. Check out motherego.net. All the courses are there, and you can download all the videos. You know, make sure you download the videos. As always, I love you. You know, take care of yourselves and leave me any questions below. I'll get to them. Bye, guys. Bye.